Hello everybody, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sunomono or Japanese cucumber salad. This sweet and sour Japanese cucumber salad is light and refreshing, so it makes the perfect side dish to go with heavy and greasy foods like tempura. Here is the ingredients overview. The Japanese cucumber is the most ideal to use for this dish because it is skinnier with thinner skin and nearly seedless. I use Persian cucumber for this recipe because it is easy to find in the grocery store and has very thin skin and much less seed inside. Another great option is the English cucumber. Cucumber is the main ingredient for this dish, but you can add a variety of vegetables, mixed seaweed, and even seafood. First, slice cucumber as thin as possible. You can also use a mandolin vegetable slicer for a uniform thickness. Transfer your thinly sliced cucumber into a bowl and sprinkle with half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let the cucumber sit for 5 to 10 minutes. In another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of wakame dry seaweed. Pour in enough water to cover the seaweed and let it soak for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, squeeze out the water. When the cucumber becomes sweaty and transparent, rinse it with water and squeeze out the juice as much as you can. In a glass bowl, add vinegar, soy sauce, dashi, and sugar. Mix them well until the sugar is all dissolved. If you prefer your salad more tart, then leave out the dashi, or add some more dashi if you like a milder taste. Soak the cucumber and seaweed in the vinegar mixture. Chill them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. To serve, transfer the cucumber on a serving dish and add some wakame seaweed on top. You can drizzle some extra vinegar mixture as well. Sprinkle roasted sesame seed and your Japanese cucumber salad is ready to be served. Enjoy!